पॉइंट आउट कोत म्हूण आनी तांकां मुखार वचपाक दिया. आडकोड जाता न्हू हांव कितें पावपा आहा थिंगा हांव आडकोड जाता. सो कितें जाता म्हाका पॉइंट आउट करपाक पडटा. बट तांकां खबर ना आय एम वन ऑफ द वुमन हू इज नॉट गोइंग टू लिसन टू एनी वन एंड आई वूड गिव अ डॅम फॉर इट. अ डेफ आय एंड अ डेफ इयर ऑफ कोर्स. वाय? बिकॉज हिंगा पॉलिटिक्स ना. हांवें पयलेंय सांगलो हा आय एम नॉट इन टू एनी पार्टी. सेकंडली हांवें तेंय सांगलो हा हांव ही पॉलिटिक्स करपाक येयलो ना. लोकांक आपयलां थिंग गेलां. वयल्यान तें कितें म्हणपाक लागले म्हाका हांव खूंय एक्सटॉर्ट कोता पयशे. आतां म्हाका सांगू बिल्डराक घेवन आलो तें लोकां बरोबर आसलो हांव. पयशे खुंयच्यान गेले? तुमकां पयशे घेयले? कोणाको 1 रुपया मागिलो? हां जाल्यार म्हाका सांगपा तेणें एक्सटॉर्ट कोता जाल्यार कोणाको वचोन कोताय तें सांगपाचें. आतां दुसरी गजाल जेन्ना आमी वयताय आमगे टायम काण सगलें सोण हांव वयतां लोक आपयता थिंगा. द मोमेंट आय गॉट इन टू एक्टिविजम ओ आय स्टार्टेड डुईंग माय सोशल वर्क. आतां हिंग पयशे मेळटाय म्हूण कोता सुण्या पोशीत हांव 70 वर्शीं सुण्याय मुकोडे. कोणा पांय नासलो कोणा कान ना कोण दोड्यान कुड्डी आय तेंगे 8 जाणांगे जो ना दांत नाय. I feed them with my hands. I have my father who is bedridden. Open skull surgery केल तेका. He is pooping blood, peeing blood, vomiting blood. Dr. Figueredo from this thing Apollo operation केलो हा. लिवर सिरोसिस हा मुगे डॅडी हांव हातूनार सोण हांव हें कोता म्हाका कितें फायदा आहा म्हूण कोता लोकां पासत कोता. हें लोकांक अंडरस्टँड जावपा जाय. जेन्ना तुमी एलिगेशन घाताय न्हू दॅट आय बीन एक्सटॉर्टिंग कोणा एकल्या मनशा मुखार काडाय की फिडोलान 2 रुपये घेयलाय म्हूण म्हाका देयत हांय बट हांव कोणा देयत ना. 2 रुपये घेयलाय म्हूण कोणाय सांगोचें आनी एक्सटॉर्ट केल्याय म्हूण सांगोचें. आनी विथ प्रूफ हांव नाक मुगे झोरोयता तेंचे कडेन तेंचे बोलोन झोरोयता. आयजू म्हाका आय एम रिपेड इन सच अ वे जस्ट बिकॉज आय स्टँड बाय द पीपल ऑन ह्युमॅनिटी ग्राउंड्स. कोण रॉंग कोताय थिंगा आवाज काडप रॉंगू जाल्यार सगळे एक्टिविस्ट आहाय तितले रॉंग जाले. सगळे सोशल वर्कर आहाय तितले रॉंग जाले. आवाज काडप रॉंग जाले. हो जा म्हणटा फिडॉल इज हावलिंग आय डोंट नो बट माय वॉयस इज लायक दॅट लावड. आय डोंट हावल बट दॅट इज माय नेचर ऑफ टॉकिंग. दुसरी गजाल हितून आतां इन्स्पेक्शनाक गेलो पडे न्हू तेणें इन्स्पेक्शन हो दाटेर सोडलें आनी तें म्हणपा लागले आपूण कोना. मागीर तेका कोण आपयलें तेणें इन्स्पेक्शन कंटिन्यू केलें. हांवें फकत तें FIR उलयलें. थिंगा शी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी नेम्स. शी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी नेम्स आनी हांव तेका सांगिल्लें तूं म्हाका हेंच उतरां उलोय नाका. हें हांवें तेका सांगिल्लें उतरां मुको उलोय नाका. शी पुश मी आनी हिंग तेगेली चाय लागली. इफ यू कॅन सी यो एंड देन आय स्टार्टेड ब्लिडींग. चाय आलो ते कडेन चाय हें केली आनी म्हाका चाय लागली. आगो तुका रक्त येताय ती चोय मुगो म्हणपा लागले. आतां तूं म्हाका सांग मुगे हात बांदलो आहाय कित्याकू? आय नो शी इज कम फॉर अ पर्पज. नाल्यार हांव म्हाका कोणें कितें म्हळें म्हज्या आंगार येयले जाल्यार हांव होग रावपा मनीसू फिदोल हांव होग रावपा मनीसू दिसोता. बट आय न्यू there is a government servant. I know they had come for a purpose and my hands were tied. So I did not react to it. But yes, indeed, I went telling her, don't say these names for me. And te dona des go and sangota dadaya, bodoya, tek maria, dan maria. Record ha, mache choya media che. Dusre te kit mota apone CM a phone mallo and I'm thankful to CM kit post a murder korpa yelo tezo. Kit korpa yelo le. इन्स्पेक्शन ते कितें एनिमिटी हा म्हूण येयलोलें थिंगा कितें हिस्ट्री हा तेज्याटी न्हू की आय एम एगेन्स्ट हर आय हॅव डन समथींग टू हर. इज देर अ प्रिवियस हिस्ट्री दॅट हांव थिंग येयलो तें कितें करपा रोंगू की तेका CMा फोन मारपा पडो आनी CMान तेगे सांगणें आयकिलें आनी पुलीस फोर्स धाडलो म्हाका डिटेन केलें मुजे FIR घायलें. सो चोयाय हें कॉमोड. This is the show of the commode. So आमगेली जी सरपंच आहा नुयेची आतां म्हाका खबर ना तेका दिसोलें आसतलें तें तांती मालो तें दिसोलें आसता तेका कळ्ळें तुका. कॉमोड सोन सानींगेन मोल तें कोमोडांतुलें सानींगेन मोलें. आतां सान्नीन तें म्हाका झाडू मारपा सोदता आसतलें आनी कॉमोड खूंय आसत तें तुमकां खबर आहा तें खूंय आहा तेंय तुमकां खबर आहा. बिफोर शी कॉलिंग मी नेम्स शी शूड नो वेर शी इज. I don't want to go personal, and if I go personal, she knows I have the history, geography of her, and so about her. ते म्हाका सांगता she's calling out names, and हांव हुई एस कोण हुई मुगे हुई फॅमिली चलोयता, मुगे फॅमिली चलोवपाक म्हाका हें करपा पडटा. You all might have seen what I said on the social media. I don't want to repeat it again. But when these names are called to me, when I am a social worker or giving social work towards people or helping people, this is not what I deserve today. Finally, if that is the case, then I would rather quit my activism. I would rather quit my activism than people calling me out these names. I am not an extortionist. तुम्हानी कितें म्हणे म्हाका? I कोणाक असों गेल ना. हांव चोर बोर मुट्टाय तें हांव घेवपा ना, कोणाक गेलें हें उतर घेवपा ना. आनी म्हाका लोक आपयताय तेदो हांव वयतलें आनी हें उतरू हांव घेवपा ना.
आतां फायनली पुलिसेन कितें सांगलें तुका?
One second, I'll interrupt. Boss, you're recording? You're from the police.
Yeah.
You want to record?
No.
There's no issues. One thing I will tell the Honorable Chief Minister is, sir, please don't allow to lower the dignity of the office of Honorable Chief Minister by such ladies whose reputation in the village is too bad. This is one point. Second point I want to make is that Mr. Vishwajit Rane, stop the destruction of Goa. If one Fidal is there, there are others who are going to rise. We are not going to accept anything that is approved by you with FAR more than 60% in all the villages of Nuvei constituency. So far as Nuvei constituency is concerned, I will take it upon myself to scrutinize and to take to logical conclusion all projects which come up with FAR more than 60%. So don't set your eyes on destroying Nuvei constituency. I'm warning you. And people of Goa, we are at crossroads today. If we don't rise now, if we don't rise by 2027, our generations will curse us. Our future is doomed. We have to rise in unison against this wholesale sale of Goa to the highest bidder. I am warning you that this place of ours, a peaceful place, a serene, beautiful green place, is being sold out to the highest bidders in this country. You know, Delhi is a gas chamber, and people from north consider this as heaven, and we are about to lose this. If we don't now rise up against this autocratic, dictatorial town and country planning department who is giving left, right, center FARs as per wish by the builders, we are doomed forever. Our generations are doomed forever.
Peter,
फिडल आज तुमकां पुलिसांनी कितें सांगलां आतां कितें
सांगलां
रिप्लाय
आनी
दिला?
तुवें कितें सांगलां आतां तांकां? तूं एसपीक मेळ्ळें, PIक मेळ्ळें, कितें सांगलें?
PI was okay with what the complaint and what लागलो, but मुगे कितें क्वेश्चन PI म्हणटा आपण कोतलो, गिव मी टायम म्हणटा. टायम कितें जावो एक गजाल. दुसरी कितें जेन्ना तेणें कंप्लेन केलें रोखडें रेजिस्टर जालें. आतां टायम कितें जावो? FIR रेजिस्टर को खबर कर. NC दित म्हणटा. वाय शूड आय टेक एन NC? रिजन आसपा जाय NC दिवपाक. तिसरी गजाल, आतां SP सांगून गेला, फिदोल आय ट्राय टू हेल्प यू, don't worry, but I want to take a legal opinion. At legal opinion आणि तू किती हाँ when everything is projected, हाँ SP को इंचारू सोचीता. Kindly help me for telling, I mean to register an FIR because हाँ तू कत्ते हैं कोता. I should not be asking you, but I'm telling you what in a manner that help me to get the FIR registered because it's clearly mentioned. Two more witness is so आपके यहाँ witness who was present there. They are the house owners when this thing was going on. SP मग सांगता, give me time, I will make a point. I'm thankful to you because पहिले बी म्हाका SP जायत help केले मॅडम, जायते help केले आणि ताका लागून मागीर पुलिसां लागून CM लागून हांव कोलवालें उमगेन येयलें. आतां बी मातशें हेल्प कोराय आनी जात जाल्यार आतां उमगेन येवपा जाल्यार रेडी आहा रे हांव, बट हेल्प कोराय लिगली. आतां सांगता दे BI and help kore. We are lame people. Today, if you are going to do this to me, the same thing will be repeated to the rest others. I story army tumko zogotai tumko insatai. We don't have to. We are lame people. We can't beg and plead with you all. Amko jai na bigmag pak. Kita ko our legal ha. Our wrong na. Just ko tu muta no wrong ha manu. If she is a elected representative, public representative, she can't raise her hand. She can't use offensive language. She can't misuse her powers. She's a woman and there's go ha to. Huh? Family raj चलला आणि ते आपयताय तें कितें दादागिरी गुंडागिरी आणि एसो आमदारू सोडून दी नुये सोया एसो आमदारू कळले हा.
Fedor, will you be remain staying active in Nuve constituency henceforth after this incident?
See, of course I have to know because I'm active all over Goa. When people call me up, now you tell me if I'm wrong somewhere. लोकांना आपयले आणि लोकां बारबर उब रावले हांव खूंय एश रॉंग हा कित्याक तेणें सांगलें 60% FIR घालपानी आपण 100 and 120 देखून दितो म्हणलें.
एक्टिव्ह आसतले न्ही
लोकां मदें लोकांन आपयल जाल्यार आसतलें. मुगे कितें आय एम नॉट अ पॉलिटिशियन. पण तुका इलेक्शन जाय जाल्यार पयलें सपोर्ट आहलोलें बट आतां देखून जाय जाल्यार म्हाका कोणें हाडपा जायना जायला बट आय हॅव नो इंटेंशन. बट हितून कितें जाता थँक ऑल जाणां कितें जाता हांव इलेक्शना बसपा आहा सो दे ट्राय टू deprive me or suppress me. Yeah, so they try doing putting allegation, criticize, then चालू हा. But हितू कितें जाता whoever is a person that who is going to be with the constituency and work for the constituency and be with the people, I will support that person. Simple as that.
Now see about the project yesterday's. It is 400 square meter area. They want to build 8 flats. 9 flats. 9 flats. Now just simple calculation. If the area is 400 square meters, 9 flats, even if they are 50 square meters, how much area is built up? More than 400. So that means FAR is more than 100%. And she is justifying, saying that there is a project there where Goans have bought flats and they have rented out. So this project should come. Does she want to say 2 wrongs make 1 right? I don't know what is the logic of her arguments. There's no logic at all. It looks like, and she says other houses are there which all have illegalities. As a sarpanch who has served for 4.5 years, wherever when these illegalities were taking place, why did not you stop there? Now you want to point out and pressurize them to vote for you again? What is the tactic? That means across the Nuve village panchayat, she has perpetuated illegalities, asked people to do illegal constructions, and is pressurizing them with demolition notices, saying if you don't vote for me, I will demolish. And this is the way apparently people are pressurized.
That is happening. Very true.
This is a game plan which people should see through. And I, for one, will file a RTA application tomorrow on that project. Get the entire file, study the file, and then take it to a logical conclusion. I don't want to comment without knowing the facts. I want the file and then I will comment.
एक टायम आलोलो न्हू एक बरें ग्रीनरी आलोली आयज तो दोंगर दिसती पोटाई न्हू एक जाग आलो आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी उरलोलो आख्खी ग्रीनरी आयज कन्स्ट्रक्शन आफ्टर कन्स्ट्रक्शन आनी केतोणा ते गेटमा सांग
आयज आमी एक्चुली तेन्ना 2 दीस पयलीं जे इन्सिडंट जाला इन नुवे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जे सरपंचान अटॅक केलो आमचे एक्टिविस्ट बाय फिदोलाचेर आमी 2 दीस पयलीं पुलिशेक सांगलेलें ते गिवींग यू 2 days आनी PI सांगलें 2 दीस दिताय तुका आमी वी वॉन्ट एक्शन अगेन्स्ट द सरपंच फॉर डुईंग वॉट शी डन रॉंग. सो आयज आमी एक्चुली येयलो SP मेळपाक विचारपाक जस्टीस दिवपाक. आय स्टँड करेक्टेड टू फिदोल. वी आर नॉट आस्किंग यू फॉर हेल्प. SP साहेब आमी तुका हेल्प मागनाय. वी आर आस्किंग फॉर जस्टीस and justice for Goa and for Goan. So you have to give us justice. कित्याक म्हणटा तुका हांव जस्टीस मागता हांव. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट हें जें जाला a public servant is attacking a fellow activist or a common man. Right, tomorrow anybody can get attacked by so and so elected representative. आमची भिरांत आहा कित्याक आमी झोकोडटाय. आमगे आवाज बंद करपाक जायना तुमकां. If you are elected representative, you are a public servant. You all should do your public job and do it in the right way. What way? If you all want to do our inspection, तुम्ही करपाक जाय जाल्यार inspection, तुम्ही करपाक जाय by informing the locals जे हाटले उबी आहा हिंगा तांकां सांगे सारकाय सांगाय. तुम्ही सांगनासतना तुम्ही मुखार सरताय आनी मागीर तुम्ही एलिगेशन घालताय that they are stopping you from your work. I was not present over there, but the marks, the wound, ते जे घाव जाला फिदोलाचेर ते आमकां दिसता पडटाय. तेजेरूय कळटा की हेणें जे सरपंच जी आहा ती नुवे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ते रॉंग केलो आहा. सो दीस एक्शन शूड बी टेकन बाय द PI ऑफ गुरदोरी, द DYSP. तो म्हणटा म्हाका सांगतालो भितर आमी एक्शन घेतले, वील गिव यू अ रिप्लाय. सायबा जेन्ना तुवें सरपंचाची कंप्लेन येयली एट 1:30 3:30 तुम्ही ताका अरेस्ट केलो आनी 4:30 तुम्ही ताका FIR घायली सेम डेयान. सो आजके जायना. वाय नॉट नाव वेन विदाउट इट कंप्लेन? वाय इट्स टेकिंग 2 days plus? Why it is taking 2 days plus? No one wants to know the answer for this. We all want to know what the answer is for this. Why is it taking 2 days for Fidol's complaint to get registered? That's why we are here right now. I'm here because we want justice more. How we get justice? By this kind of attitude by the Sarpanch. Sarpanch clearly mutta on the video of prudent media stating that अरे तू CM फोन को CM तो हात धाडला तो CM बसला असले काम करपाकू and DYSP mutta if you want to do something go to court. If you want to put a complaint go to court. If we have to go to court, then why do we require a police station? Why do we require panchayat? Laka unka ye bate directly let it be between the people and the court. Why require police stations? So we are just asking justice for the illegalities done against us.
Pause it. Okay.
आज काल 2 दीस पयलीं जो फिदोलाचेर जो एसॉल्ट केला एक पब्लीक सर्वंट जे सरपंच जे आसा नुवेचे तेजो हांव पयलीं स्वाती निशेध व्यक्त करता. आनी सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार हें तुमकां सांगता गोंयकारांनो जे गोंय वाचोवपाक लोकां खातीर झगडटा जे आपल्याले पर्सनल कांय नासतना दुसऱ्या खातीर लोकांक लागून वयता आयज तेजेर एसॉल्ट जाता. आयज तेका भितर उडयतात डिटेन करतात तेका सेकंड नाका कारण कितें तेच्या फाटल्यान गॉडफादर कोण आसा पप्पू आमगेलो. आनी हे सगळें जाता कित्याक आयज जर फिदोलाक गरज नासलेली की थंय वचपाक ह्या लोकां बरोबर उबे रावपाक पूण फिदोल गेले कोणाक लागून गोंयकारा खातीर गेले. आनी ते विचारता सरपंच फिदोलाक तूं कोण गो तूं हांगा कित्याक गो तूं कित्याक पडला फिदोल जावन फिदोल जावन आसा हे गोयचे आणि फिदोलाक हक्क आसा जे जाग्यार अन्याय अत्याचार जातले लोकांचेर तेन्ना आमी एक्टिविस्ट वयतले तुम्ही आमकां अडवपाक शकना हे गोंय जावन आसा आमचे जशे तुमचे तशे आमचे जावन आसा आयज जर तुम्ही सारकी आसलेली जाल्यार ही लोक कित्याक रस्त्यार येता आसलेली तांकां पयली प्रॉब्लेम आसा गार्बेजीचो उदकाचो लायटीचो पार्किंगचो तुम्ही हाडटले प्रोजेक्ट आनी लोकांचेर थापतले आनी मागीर म्हणटा उदक ना ह्या बायल मनशेन पयली दुसऱ्या बायल मनशेक असले बॅड वर्ड्स उलयचे पयली ती बायल मनीस न्हू दिसता हांव म्हणपाक सोदता तूं बायल मनीस तूं एज्युकेटेड तुवें कसली उतरां ताका दिला एक्स्टॉर्शन ताणें केलें ते एक्स्टॉर्शनीस्ट जाले ते लोकांक घेवन आयज पुलीस स्टेशनार न्याय मागपाक जस्टीस मागपाक येनासले आयज आमकां येवपाक पडटा जस्टीस मागपाक सत्य उलयता ताका जेल आनी जे पयशे घेता गोंय विकपाक काबार करपाक सोदता पळय तांकां कितें VIP ट्रिटमेंट AC देव तुमचो सोद घेतलो आनी आमकां हेजेर हे बायलेचेर सरपंचाचेर तिडा दिसागंठे हा पळय तेजेर आमकां कंप्लेन रजिस्टर जाल्ली जाय जशें फिदोलाचेर जाला तशें तेजेरूय जावपाक जाय
There are two aspects to this. One is about the plot of land and one is about the sarpanch, which is connected to the plot of land. Now we are from the Nuvent constituency where there are about 8 or 9 bungalows, single families, and when we got to know about this plot of land which is 400 square meters, you can imagine as we were told that it is going to be a 3-story building with 9 flats. Now, a 400 square meter, out of that you have to leave about 3.5 meter from the walls to build your plot of whatever construction. So you can imagine how you're minimizing that project. Now when we got to know, and mind you, I've got to know it through another source just one day early, then the inspection had to happen. And that day when the inspection had to happen, it is the sarpanch who came along with the secretary, and it was she only with us, and she realized that we were standing there because we had our grievances. She heard us, and after that she left. Then the owner of the plot, he came. He also came, he spoke to us, and then he left. Now he left, and I presume, which was one of our persons from the constituency, saw him at the sarpanch office the same evening, and the same evening I got a message, not the same evening, the next morning I got a message that at 11:30, I think about 8:15 I got a message, 11:30 there's going to be an inspection again. Now just you can imagine that we have not been all informed about it in a regular manner, where all of us could have been sent a circular to inform the inspection as it's going to be there, and you all be present. It was not through the panchayat, it was not through the sarpanch, it was not through anyone, through our own source. Now it is because we are laymen, we do not have knowledge of a lot of these things. I always by saying we have common sense, everyone around the constituency. But we felt we should call someone who is aware about all this, and Fidol is not unknown. She is known. She is on the video, she is on Facebook, she is everywhere. So I got to know and I informed her, and she very sweetly volunteered to come. Though she is busy with other things also, she volunteered to come the next day morning at 11:30. And this is the second aspect of it, where when she came and the panchayat was, the sarpanch was there, secretary was there, and she was dictating whatever report she was doing, and she was talking about the FAR which was 60, and she is telling the secretary that it is 100, which is not 100, and that is the time because we were sort of silent spectators to it. That is the time Fidel interrupted and said, it is not 100, and why are you putting on the people around here to say it is 100? It is a public, it is the PIL that it is 60. It is not passed. So she then got upset and she said, I will also give 120. That is where it got aggravated a lot. Argument was there, heated argument was there, and eventually what I could see and other people witnessed was that the Sarpanch was abusive first. She used a very dirty language to Fidel, but Fidel still had a patience, and then I think the Sarpanch pushed her. When she pushed her, that's when it became physical, and then that's when the police were called. So this is the two aspects of what happened here yesterday. And by the way, this is what everyone of us has said. Justice should be fair. If you call Fidel to the police station there, and from 12 till about 7:38 we were there, most of us were without lunch, but we were not bothered about it, and it was bad weather. But if she was detained in whatever we call preventive measures, so how come an FIR was lodged against her and not the Sarpanch, who was physical and she was not physical? So this is our main thing, and that is why we have come here today. And I have realized, and I have also told the people around here, the authorities, the police, whoever it is, that this is nothing but a pressure from the higher ups, political, upon these people around here. That's why they cannot do anything. They are zero.
So my point is that the whole problem sprouted from the fact that she came for inspection without giving written notice, 3 days written notice to any of us. So that inspection was just an eyewash. I don't understand what is inspection. You stand on the road, you take a file and you just start dictating something. What is the meaning of inspection? She didn't, when she was asking, the punch is saying, no, the kid inspector to me. That is the first thing. The secondly, why is it called a village panchayat? When the people in authority of the village panchayat are making it a city. The name should change from village panchayat to some rubbish. Everywhere there are buildings sprouting up.
It is
crazy that it's called village panchayat. It's not going to be village in the next 10 years. Or maybe even 5, the way they are going at what rapid pace.
आयज आमी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर येयले आनी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर येवपाक कारण म्हणल्यार 2 दीस पयलीं तुमी जाणाय फिडॉलाचेर FIR करून ताका डिटेन केल्लो पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर 1:30 पयलोले ते 7:30 ताका सोडलोले आनी तेवूय जाल्यार कित्याक ते एक प्रॉपर्टीचें नुवें कितें प्रॉब्लम आहा म्हणून लोकांक कितें त्रास जाता म्हणून ताका आपोवन वयलोले थिंगा ऑल ऑफ सडन विथावट एनी नोटीस तांकां इन्स्पेक्शना पावली ती थिंगा गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट ऑर पब्लीक सर्वंट कोण तुमी ते मुडाय सरपंचाक रॉंग स्टेटमेंटाक समोज तेणें करेक्ट केलो ताका रिप्लाय कितें किचनान ताका चावेन तेणी तोपली तेणी ताका मारले आनी अब्युजीव लँग्वेज उलयली कित्याक एक कॉमन मनशान ताजो पब्लीक सर्वंटाचो आन्सर रॉंग आहलो म्हणून ताणें आन्सर दिलो करेक्ट केलो म्हूण ताका सो ताका लागून तेणें स्टार्ट केलें म्हणून फिडॉल बायन ताका मारले फिडॉल बाये तेणें मारले सो तेणें FIR रेजिस्टर केलो ताका अरेस्ट केलो ताका डिटेन केलो ते पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर दवरली सेम टायमार तेणें रेजिस्टर केलो तेजी FIR कित्याक करूं ना आनी आमकां तेन्ना सांगलोलें FIR तेचेर कोत्तून आमी एक्शन घेतलो 48 hours आमी रावली 48 हवर्सान आमकां कांयच तेज रिप्लाय मेळना म्हणून आयज आमी येयली PI कितें जाल्यार PI म्हणटलो म्हणपा लागलो तुमकडेन प्रूफ ना आमी कांय एक्शन घेवपाक जायना हें जायना ते प्रूफ आहा आमी आय विटनस आहा इतली जाण आय विटनस आसतना कोणें एक्शन घेवं ना ताका क्रिमिनला भशेन ट्रिटमेंट दिल्लो ते दिसाक ते प्रूफ आसा आयज पासून येयला आमकां SP सांगता आमकां लिगली प्रोवन दियाय म्हणटा प्रूफ मागता लिगली प्रूफ मागता स्टेटमेंट दियाय म्हणटा लोकांचो समज एका जी प्रूफ आसता मार लागला सगळे आय विटनस आसा आमकां लिगल प्रूफ दिवपाक जाय जाल्यार तेच केश करून FIR तुमी रेजिस्टर केलो हेजेर पुलीस बीन दाखयताय प्रेशर म्हाका पडोंक वचना प्रेशर तुमचे पडत रावतले कॉमन मनीस त्रास घेत रावतले ते ना पुलिसांनी सेम ट्रिटमेंट तेका दिला तोच तेका दिवपाक जालो सेम टायमार तेका अरेस्ट करपाक जाय ते तुमी करूं ना आयज 48 आवर्स जाली तरी पासून तुमी तेका अरेस्ट करूं ना जाल्यार आमकां रिप्लाय मेवला की आमकां बरोवन दियाय स्टेटमेंट कराय रेजिस्टर कराय तोच ते कितें सांगू ना आनी आतां कितें जातलो म्हूण खबर ना सो तुमी चिंताय कॉमन मनशाक पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर खूंय जाल्यार कितें सपोर्ट आसा ना सो हांव हे तितलें कोत्ता हे पिडोल बायेक जस्टीस मेळपाक जाय जो ट्रिटमेंट पिडोल बायेक कोण नासतना जो तेजेर एफआयआर घायला तेजेरूय तें घायल तेजे तेका आन्सर मेळपाक जाय
आयज नो मॅटर वॉट दॅट इज वन थिंग आयज न्हू सगल्या वाटेन हे प्रेशर 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 कोतायचोय म्हाका सुद्दां न्हू आयज हे जे एक्स आमदार आहाय ते कोणाक कुस्तार पोसताय ते आयज तुमकां लोकांक कोण येता आयज कितें चलत तें गोंयां हेजेरूय कोण येता आतां दुसरो एक्स MLA जालो दुसरो आनी दुसरी इन्सिडंट जाली कोणा लागून आमगेल्या ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा म्हळ्यार चिंताय तुमी हांवें ताका फोन मारलो ताणें पुलिसान धाडले आनी एक इन्सिडंट प्रिवियसली एक्स्टॉर्शनिस्ट हांवें गेलें दिमी मारली केस रेजिस्टर्ड जाली आनी म्हाका कोलवाले उमगेनेच पडलो बट देव हूंय मरे सोडना एसो मनशां देव मारपा ती सारकें मारतलो कोण सांगताय ही तांबडे बांदलो हांवें ती आमगे क्रिस्तांवांगे बेतीन न्हू ती कळ्ळें तुका हें लोकांक कळोंक जाय बेश्टें चोय तांबडे बांदताय कोण आनी खंय भोंवताय हें सगलें कितें हें आमगे धर्म शिकयना सो आयजू आमकां चिंतपा जाय आयज आमकां की तूं भिरांत आहा ती तूं रॉंग उलोय यू विल बी बिहायंड द बार तूं रॉंग उलोय तुजे एफआयआर रेजिस्टर वेरी नेक्स्ट फुडें विदाउट टायम विदाउट हेजिटेशन विदाउट टायम तूं रायट आसो रॉंग आसो तें आनी चोवप बी कांय ना वेरी नेक्स्ट मोमेंट तुजें कंप्लेन रेजिस्टर हें आयज गोच जालो आहा आनी ती भिरांती लोकांक दाखयलो आहा तेका लागून आयज न्हू जायती फॅमिली ज्यो आहाय न्हू येवपाक सोदताय आवाज काडपाक सोदताय बट आयज ह्यो फॅमिली सप्रेस करून दवरलो आहाय हेका लागून एक्स आमदार प्रेझंट आमदार मिनिस्टर हेंक सगल्यांची कोराय येलो कडेनूय येयाय तांकां हें घेयाय वाती घेयाय आनी तेंचे कोराय फुलां उडोयाय तेंचेर कित्याक हें आमकां पोचताय म्हूण हें आमकां पोचताय म्हूण आनी तेंगे घरा बळ पोचत म्हूण आमकां लागून सो हें लोकांनी आयज गोंयकारांनी चिंतपाचें मातशें तुमी तकली जाल्यार न्हू मातशें चिंताय हें कितें जाता तितलें म्हाका गरज केसोली लोकां मुखार आवाज करपाची सो चिंताय आयज हांव येयलें कित्याक if that was the case no I had a political intention and all I would have done it way long ZP election जाता तोणा कोच जावं उलयताय फिडॉल will be vocal only until 27 after that no man ते vocal ते मागीर चोया आयज न्हू हांव तेंय सांगता हांव जावन सांगता कितें स्टांड्स म्हूण पॉलिटिकल स्टांड हांव इलेक्शनां बसता जाल्यार तुमकां परमिशन घेवन बसतलें हांव मुगे लोकां कडेन इंचान बसतलें बसत जाल्यार मुगे लोकांक म्हाका मुखार काडपा जाय आनी हांवें तेंय सांगिलां इफ हुएवर इज सिटींग एंड आय फील दॅट पर्सन इज रायट आय वील गो हेड एंड सपोर्ट बट हिंगा चलोय तें सगलें पॉलिटिकल चलोना आयज आख्खें गोंयचें निसटन कोण उरना आयज गोंयकार खूंय उरल्याय गोंयकारपण खूंय उरना आयज गोंय उरना आख्खें काबार आयज गोंय इकिलें आयज हे सरकारानू गोंय इकिलें जालें काबार इतलें सांगता आनी जात जाल्यार लास्टली आय वूड टेल द थिंग SP South as you said that you will give me justice I'm awaiting for the justice thank you